Hey everyone, welcome back to the Den Fireworks. Today's video we're doing cat calls by Brothers Fireworks. This is a 3-tier fountain with 9 vents. Also, it sounds like it's got a ton of whistles in it to live up to that cat call's name. And we do have cats all over on it as well. Performance description is hear it from the bleachers. Red flames, white chrysanthemum, whistles, blue stars, red crackling with red and green and silver showers. Sounds like it's going to be a pretty fountain. I'm wondering if they're going to have these vents kind of go off to the sides as well, or how this is going to look. So let's go find out. Cat calls.